Most major drum manufacturers sell junior kits or pocket kits that are sized appropriately for young drummers. Your child will eventually outgrow a junior kit, but not quickly. All of the beginner drum kits on this list will be able to withstand daily home practice, and, when the time comes, they will be ready to take to the stage for their first live performance. Best of all, they will look great. I've rounded up the best options, and all the links for top prices are in the description below. Let's get into it. 1. Sonor AQX 22-inch 5-piece drum kit. The Sonor AQX drum kit is a visually stunning option for beginners who want to stand out. Part of the Sonor AQX series, this drum kit features a stylish, eye-catching blue ocean sparkle finish and consists of 5 pieces, including a 22-inch bass drum, 10-inch and 12-inch rack toms, a 16-inch floor tom, and a 14-inch snare drum. Along with the drums, the kit comes equipped with essential hardware such as a bass drum pedal, hi-hat stand, snare stand, 2 cymbal stands, and a drum throne. 2. Gretsch Energy 20-inch drum kit. Bia Tujius Chuan Hai Twines hardware and paste 101 set. Black Gretsch is synonymous with quality and heritage, and the Gretsch Energy drum kit lives up to that reputation. This is a comprehensive drum kit package designed for beginners and intermediate drummers, and includes a 20-inch bass drum, 10-inch and 12-inch mounted toms, a 14-inch floor tom, and a 14-inch snare drum. It also comes with essential hardware such as a bass drum pedal, hi-hat stand, snare stand, 2 cymbal stands, and a drum throne. 3. Ludwig Questlove Pocket Kit. It is very common to expect a high-quality drum kit from Ludwig. However, the sound this kit produces is quite good enough to satisfy young and upcoming drummers. Many users are shocked by how good the snare sound is, even for such an inexpensive drum kit. The build quality is also excellent, as this drum kit is originally aimed at children. 4. Pearl Export EXX. The Pearl Export is one of the most popular drum kits of all time. We all have fond memories of practicing our basics on the classic chrome finish Export in our school days. The modern reissue features a poplar, mahogany shell that is very playable and offers a distinct tone. The stock heads sound fine, but upgrading here would really help you unleash the kit's full potential. The EXX kit comes with solid Pearl 830 series hardware, including the excellent P930 Deminator kick pedal and a set of Sabian SBR cymbals. 5. Mendini by Cecilio Kids. Obviously, this is not a professional drum kit, so your expectations should be reasonable. On the other hand, this is not a cheap plastic drum kit. This is made of real wood, and the material quality is average. There were a few complaints from users of the Cecilio Kids set, one of which was the squeaky pedals. The loud squeaky chain can be a bit annoying, so try using a spring or a locking system to eliminate this problem. Instructions are not included, but if you follow my instructions on how to set up the drum set later, you should be fine. 6. PDP Concept Classic 18. PDP's Concept Classic Kit is seriously awesome. Available in 4 configurations, ranging from 18 to 26 bass drum, this 18 bass drum 12 right downs, 12 rack tom 14 floor tom set is the smallest and most affordable of the line. You might be skeptical about picking the cheapest kit in the series, but this drum set delivers professional quality at a lower price than the pros. 7. Mapex Mars Maple. Mapex has written the book on delivering high-end features that far outweigh the price tag. And recently, the long-standing Mars kit got a brand new all-maple, completely redesigned to include shell format. The drums use Mapex's Soniclear bearing edge, inherited from the more expensive range, for a wider tuning range and easier dial-in, and the Soniclear tom suspension system maximizes resonance. 8. Gretsch Catalina Club. Gretsch has been synonymous with top-quality drums for nearly 150 years. For the past decade, they've offered this piece of history for beginners at an affordable price with the Catalina Club. Of the many beautiful finishes available, we like the blue satin flame, pictured, but there's definitely something for every taste. And that's it. Let me know your thoughts or experiences in the comments. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next review.